What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, AJ47 Soul Mavericks Crew. This quick video is going to be on level changes. So if you saw my interactive how to freestyle video, which is a dope video, especially if you've got some material in breaking already, it's definitely something you should use to practice. But this video is going to be more tailored that if you're in a beginner stage of breaking, you kind of just need to know how to move without confusing your brain. So when you see me doing the interactive version and you're kind of like ciphering, battling with me, it's kind of like, it could be quite intense. So this is the beginner's version of how to create and how to move in breaking without kind of getting lost. And there's many different ways you can do this. I have many more concepts to teach you, but for today, we're going to be doing it using the figure fours. So it's one of the elements I used within that freestyle, how to freestyle interactive video. And it was actually first taught to me by a b-boy that used to be in my crew called Mouse. And Mouse taught this to us. And when he first taught it to me, I didn't know how to use it. Like I did know, but I didn't really take on board the richness of what he was teaching me in that particular moment. In fact, it was some years later that he taught me again, like he was already not in the crew anymore. And, you know, like it was a long, long time after he left. Because we're still cool, right? But it was only then that I really started to understand what it was that he was teaching me and the value, more so the value, because I did understand it. It was just I didn't appreciate the value. So I want you guys to really think about that and take this on board. So again, this is a raw tutorial. It's kind of different from my other tutorials. I'm using my phone for this one, just straight to the point. Here we go. So Mouse talks about figure fours and level changes, okay? So you've got, obviously, I'm gonna move back so you can see me. You've got standing up, okay? Next one down is the knee. Next one down is footwork. And then I guess even lower from footwork, it is, you know, on the floor. Even lower on the floor, on your back, or on your belly, okay? Now, if you wanna learn how to freestyle and you wanna learn how to move, using the figure fours is a great way. So you can just literally use these two, okay? There's others, there's like ones from behind as well. But for today, we'll just use the figure fours in the front for beginners. Starting on your bum is probably an easy way to understand this. So you sit here and you go figure four, okay? From this position, I can now turn and end up here, which is a figure four on top, okay? So I know that's probably confusing if you're a beginner and you're like, what did I just do? So you go back and you go, okay, I'm turning this way. I'm gonna turn, always push onto your center. So this is like the half position zero, footwork position. I've changed hands and I've just gone to here. If I want to now, I can go back this way. I can spin round, see that? Now I can kind of make a little routine out of that. I can go from here, which is one level, spin up, which is another level, to here, push back round this way, to here. From here, I can go down to here. Now, I'm not teaching you this combo per se. I'm not teaching you this move. I'm just teaching you that when you want to transition, all you have to do is use a figure four, okay? See what I mean? So the figure fours, and I see how I'm going mad slow. You're not limited to, so I did a lot of that two-dimensional, but now let's turn with it. So I turned this way, but what if I go the other way? What can I do if I go the other way? If I go the other way, I end up here, okay? So this is just something that came out. I weren't even planning on this, okay? So what if I don't like that? What if I want to go forward? So maybe I'll go forward and spin. Now I've got something completely different. Okay, what if I extend the leg and turn? Extend the leg. Wait, no, don't like that. No, I don't like that. So instead of extending the leg, what if I go from here, if I bring the leg back in and I turn this way, okay? You see that? So like, when you make little mistakes like that, it's fine, it's fine. This is how you're gonna explore your movement. And that was me just sticking in a figure four. What if I change figure four each time? Here, here, up, jump, hit, go lower, hit, hit, okay? This is kind of the game. You want to get used to movement. Roll onto your belly. Here. Roll to the other side. Here. Turn back to the front. Here. Pull the leg out underneath. Over the top. Use it to stand up. Here. Use it to go back down. Here. Okay? Guys, this is so valuable. If you've made it to the end of this video, because I know it's not like my normal style, well done, because I truly believe this is super valuable in the things you can do. If you get a bit more advanced, of course, you can use the same thing with your freezes. I thought I was finished, but I'm not. Here, 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 here. See what I mean? Here, here, spin down, here. Okay? So, yeah guys, like I said, different kind of concept, different kind of tutorial. I think I might do a few more of these, because these are a little bit more raw, a little bit more honest, and a little bit more like it would be if you was actually training with me in person. I might do a series of these on my Patreon actually, because I've got so many little dope things to share. It kind of has to be in this manner, and if I do it on a live stream, you can kind of ask me direct questions as well. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Hope this has been helpful for you. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Ask me more questions. The more questions you ask, the better answers I can give you guys. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, and as always, stay fresh, stay clean, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.